Hey Glam Dolls, and welcome back to our channel. I hope everyone is fabulous today. I am super excited because I am finally filming my look using this beautiful, gorgeous palette. One of my favorite releases of all time. Well, at least for 2018, but pretty much all time. This packaging kills all other packaging, first of all. And these colors, let me just snap this open, kill all other colors. This palette is perfect. Absolutely freaking perfect. And I love it. And thank you so much, Jeffree Star, for putting it out. And thank you so much, Jacqueline, for letting me buy one of the couple that you were able to get in the 3 minutes that it sold out. I'm obsessed with this palette. I am in love with it, and I'm so excited to finally film a look with it today. Before I get into the look, I also have some good news. Those who have been following my panic attack, blood pressure issues that I've been having, you'll be happy to know that Mama's blood pressure is finally down. I'm so excited. I've just been dieting, and well, I wouldn't say dieting because I still eat a lot. I've just been cutting out a lot of processed crap and cut out all caffeine in my life, all of it. Cut out all the junk food, all the fast food, cut out all that nastiness. And that helped get, a lot of that detox, that crap out of my system. And I've been taking walks every day. And I feel great, you guys. I feel like I'm starting to become my old self again. I'm still really stressed out at work. That I don't think will ever change until I change jobs or retire. Lord knows I need a vacation here soon. Everyone keeps telling me to take one, and I need to. It's just not possible right this moment, but I see one in my very near future. Also, if you are wondering why my hair has a slight tint of purple, it is because it does. So, I had an incident with my toner shampoo last night. I used the Fanola purple shampoo or yellow no more or something, no more yellow shampoo, and I use it once a week, and I don't even use it straight by itself. I use it with an actual shampoo and mix just a little bit with it because this stuff is so powerful, you guys. Any blondes out there that don't want their hair to have any yellow in it, the Fanola stuff is the bomb, except you need to put it in and rinse it right out. Do not let it sit on your hair, because if you let it sit on your hair even 1 to 2 minutes too long, this happens. Yeah, all of this. So luckily for me, it will wash out and fade out, so I'm not worried about it. It's happened to me once before. So I'm just rocking this gray purple look right now, and luckily lavender is in right now, But if I ever want a temporary lavender, I know that I can just let that stuff sit on my head for a few minutes and I'm good. So anyway, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Now I'm excited to get in and film with the greatest palette of all time. Of all time. Y'all heard it here first. By the way, you guys like my nails? Aren't these cute? These are more of those little press-on things. They're so cute. I love them. They don't even look like press-ons. You can't even tell. I know. I'm so cheap. Beauty on a budget, Anyway, let's get into the look. I'm not going to talk your ear off anymore. So, of course, this look today is all about the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star. Look at this packaging, you guys. I am obsessed with it. Oh, I die. Look at the colors, too. They are so stunning and so pigmented. If you can get your hands on it, do it, because it is so worth it. So first I'm going to go ahead and start off with Cake Mix and use that as my transition color and just blend that all into the crease. Go a little bit lighter handed than I do. These are really, really pigmented shadows, hence the fact that they're pressed pigments. Now I'm going to go in with this bright reddish pinkish color. It's called Prick, and I'm taking that on kind of a fluffy blender pencil-y brush and taking that a little bit lower, more towards my crease, and using that as kind of a second transition color and just blending that and blending that. Now I'm taking Cherry Soda, which is a little bit more true red, on a crease brush by e.l.f. and taking that more into the crease to start to deepen it up just a bit. And I will say I went a little bit higher than I wanted to, but that's okay because we're going to cut the crease anyway. And then I'm taking just a clean blending brush and blending it all together. And now I'm going to go in with Extraction just to deepen up the crease a little bit more on a pencil definer brush and just keep that right in the crease. And then we're just going to keep it on the outer edge as well. And we're just going to use that just to deepen it up. And I'm going to then take the pencil brush or pointed blender brush, if I could talk, and blend that all together again. And it's just going to be a lot of blending to get it right. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with this little detail brush from BH Cosmetics and my Tarte Shape Tape. And because I have such small hooded eyes, I go right above my crease, like literally barely above my crease. And another great trick to this is put some concealer on your mobile lid at the bottom and open your eyes wide, and wherever the concealer stops, like hits the top of your eyelid or your crease zone, that's where you want to cut it at, if that makes any sense. I'll have to show you that trick on another video, but that's how I learned where I want to stop or where I want to put the actual concealer when I'm doing my cut crease. Now we're ready to lay down the color Sweetener. So I'm just taking a flat packer brush and I'm going to pack that on to where I put the concealer. And Sweetener is this really pretty pink that has a gold overlay. And so when you hit the light, you'll see gorgeous gold shimmer flecks, and it is absolutely stunning. I love this palette so much, if you can't tell. Now I'm just going to deepen it back up with a little bit of Extraction and go back over the crease a little bit and just clean it up and darken up the line just a little bit more. Then I just go back in with a blending brush and blend it all out again. And then I'm going to go in with a detailed definer brush, little pencil brush, and put Intravenous in the outer corner and a little bit into the crease, maybe about a fourth of the way, just to deepen the outer corner up a bit. And it's just a brownish reddish color just to make it a little bit darker. And then I'm also just going to blend that out as well. And now for the lower lash line, I'm going to go in with Prick and line the lower lash line all the way through, and also take that up into the outer corner so everything meshes well together. And this is going to be like the transition. And now to kind of tight line, I'm going to go in with Coma, which is this gorgeous purpley red, and I also flicked it a little bit into the outer corner as well, just so it all meshes and goes together. But I'm tight lining my lower lash line with it, trying to keep it as close as possible. But I just wanted to give it a little bit more dimension and deepen it up just a little bit. I tried to use as many colors as possible. And now I'm going to use Candy Floss for my highlight, but it wasn't as light as I wanted, so I just used the Amrezy highlighter to go ahead and just go over that and highlight the inner corners of my eye just to brighten it up a little bit more. And it actually worked out well and blended really well with the eyeshadow. So now I'm just going to tight line the upper lash line and lower lash line with my Japanesque gel black liner pencil. And then I'm going to go ahead and use the Revlon Super Skinny Liquid Liner to create my winged liner, because if you're going to do a look as bold as this, you might as well go balls to the wall and drop a wing on that bitch too. So after I get done filling this in, I'm going in with the Butter London Double Decker Mascara. I got this in my BoxyCharm and love it. And I also accidentally left out filming my lashes, but I used the Faux Mink Lashes by Kiss in the style Corset. And I also missed filming my lipstick, so I used a combo of Doll Parts by Jeffree Star and this one by Lime Crime. It was one of their limited edition ones. Forget the name, so sorry about that, but I love the way this look came out. I'm obsessed with this palette. It is amazing pigment, amazing packaging, amazing everything. So if you can get your hands on it, please do. He is making it a permanent part of his collection, so everyone who wants one will be able to get one. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you all so much, and have a wonderful rest of your week.